Hello dear, I will give you 28 YouTube channel ideas to inspire you. Looking to start a YouTube channel but not sure what the best niche for YouTube is? Whether you're new to YouTube or a pro video creator, finding your niche for YouTube can boost engagement and help you become part of the YouTube creator community. With over 51 million YouTube channels online, it's important to target the right audience and stand out from your competitors. From comedy, animation, and daily vlogs to self-help, meditation, and fitness, there's a YouTube niche for every creator and viewer. Let's get started. 1. Comedy. Creating a comedy YouTube channel is the perfect genre if you want to make your audience laugh and entertain them for hours. From relatable skits, stand-up, parodies, and pranks, there are many different styles of videos you can create. Just add animated text, transitions, and special effects like slow motion to make lighthearted and funny videos for YouTube. 2. Animation. Animation YouTube creators can share self-made digital images and dialogue videos that tell a short story. This entertaining YouTube genre is ideal for developing your video editing skills, captivating your target audience, and sharing your message that entertains and educates your audience. Don't forget to use a storyboard to brainstorm your video ideas and an intro video to your animations. 3. Beauty. If you want to share beauty-related content like new makeup products, skincare reviews, techniques, and beauty tips, then creating a beauty YouTube channel is the best genre for you. Make sure to consider who your niche is, from makeup, nail art, skincare, hair, and more, to attract your desired audience. Use voiceovers and ambient background music to make your videos professional and engaging. 4. ASMR. ASMR, Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response, is a YouTube genre that gives viewers an illusion of having a physical sensation to help relax or soothe them while watching a video clip. This YouTube channel genre is quite popular on YouTube, but the most successful channels all use high-quality equipment like an external microphone to capture the best audio. 5. Conspiracy. If you want to explore unique conspiracy theories and alternative points of view, create a conspiracy YouTube channel. Make sure you have a clear niche and concept. For example, if you want to share historical mysteries, political or celebrity conspiracies, movies, or even paranormal phenomena. Don't forget to use auto captions to make your videos more accessible and easier to understand on mute. 6. Fashion. If you're a clothing enthusiast, create a fashion-focused YouTube community through a fashion channel. Showcase styling tutorials, PR unboxings, clothing hauls, and what's on trend right now in engaging videos. Use voiceovers, video and image overlays, and add motion titles to share valuable information for viewers. 7. Cooking. From new recipes and tutorials to top-secret chef tricks, a cooking YouTube channel can have your viewers inspired and hungry in no time. Cooking videos are perfect for creators who don't want to show their face in a video, with bird's-eye view of ingredients, utensils, and method being a popular style of video. With quick transitions and cooking theme stickers, make your viewers' mouth water in just a few seconds. 8. Daily vlog. Whether you're recording your day, week, special event, or morning routine, share these videos on a daily vlog YouTube channel. All you have to do is use your smartphone to record your clips, piece them together with transitions, special effects, and location point text and stickers, then share them directly to YouTube. 9. Gaming. If you're a passionate gamer and want to publish your big wins, game hacks, and epic fails, create a captivating gaming YouTube channel. Just combine your gameplay with a voiceover or webcam recording commentary, using sound effects and captions to create engaging videos. 10. Business. Want to share promotional videos, new products, storytime videos, behind the scenes, and let your viewers get to know your business better? With a business YouTube channel, your brand can do exactly that. Connect with your customers and build trusting relationships through relatable videos on YouTube. 11. Technology. If you're excited about new tech products, share your insights and thoughts through a technology YouTube channel. Create product review videos, how-to tutorials, and comparison and unboxing videos to keep your viewers up to date and entertained. 12. Family. Share your family's experiences, dynamic, activities, and day-to-day life with a family YouTube channel. Family channels are known for their transparency, honesty, and joys of raising a family. These videos aren't heavily edited with video effects, but usually include animated text, filters, and a YouTube intro and outro. 13. Lifestyle. Don't want to belong to one niche? Creating a lifestyle YouTube channel might be the genre you're looking for. Lifestyle channels can range from shopping hauls and cleaning vlogs to daily vlogs and routines, meaning these videos don't fit into one target audience. Share various aspects of your life, be realistic, relatable, and let your viewers get to know you better. 14. Travel. Share travel inspiration, packing tips, traveling hacks, important information, or absolutely anything travels related in a travel YouTube channel. Subscribers can come to your channel to learn new travel tips, get inspiration for their next holiday, or simply watch for pure entertainment. Get started with a royalty-free travel video template. 15. Learning and tutorials. Teach your viewers a new skill and broaden their knowledge through online tutorials. Create a learning and tutorial YouTube channel so your viewers can search different categories, find the right video for them, and get all their lessons in one place. Make sure to use auto captions and create a downloadable transcript to make your learning sessions more accessible. 16. Toy review. Unleash your inner child or help your children express their thoughts and opinions by creating a toy review YouTube channel. This family-friendly YouTube channel idea is perfect for those who have creative kids or want to give other parents insights into a new product. Review channels can even be monetized and sponsored, meaning you can get paid for reviewing toys. 17. Podcast. Turn your podcast audio into an engaging YouTube video to broaden your audience reach and increase your watch time. With a podcast YouTube channel, you can target a different audience who prefers watching rather than listening, as well as keeping your existing podcast audience. All you must do is record your podcast with a webcam recording, add captions, then share them on YouTube. 18. Self-help. Provide guidance, motivation, and valuable advice to improve your viewers' professional and personal lives with a self-help YouTube channel. Decide what areas you have expertise in, create a clear concept of how you're going to approach personal development content, and share your success stories, reviews, or interviews through engaging videos. 19. Fandom. If you're enthusiastic about a particular movie, TV show, video game, celebrity, or book, celebrate your knowledge and passion with a fandom YouTube channel. Fandom channels are a great way to create a dedicated community, engage viewers, and start discussions among other fans. These videos can also be shared on TikTok or YouTube Shorts. 20. Fitness. Share your workout routines, nutrition advice, and health and wellness tips all in one place with a fitness YouTube channel. Find what style of fitness channel you want to create, whether it's yoga, cardio workouts, nutrition, strength training, or a mixture. Motivate your viewers and inspire their health journey through video. Use the split-screen video editing technique to showcase before and after results. 21. Spiritual and meditation. Give mindfulness tips, host virtual meditation sessions, and develop your viewers' personal growth with a spiritual and meditation YouTube channel. Share your spiritual insights and offer valuable teachings to help your YouTube community seek their inner peace with you. Check out our wide range of royalty-free meditation music to go with your YouTube videos. 22. Arts and crafts. Want to record your next DIY project? Create an arts and crafts YouTube channel to document all your crafty activities and even artistically inspire others to follow along. Share your passion and creative side through step-by-step tutorials, time-lapse videos, before and after clips, and behind-the-scenes renovations. You can even create simple slideshows for YouTube with images and videos using the slideshow maker. 23. Reviews and unboxing. Give your opinions, initial reactions, and give your viewers an insight into what to expect when unboxing a product in a review and unboxing YouTube channel. Your channel can become a viewer's go-to hub to find out honest information, reviews, and insights into a product or service before they buy it for themselves. Your review channel can even get sponsored on YouTube with either money or product payment. 24. Culture. A cultured YouTube channel can educate, engage, and entertain viewers with valuable information about unique parts of history, traditions, beliefs, customs, art, rituals, and more. If you want to share your passion and start meaningful conversations about a particular culture, create a cultured YouTube channel and build a global community. 25. Music and Remix. A music YouTube channel is the perfect place for viewers to find new favorite hits and royalty-free music for their own videos. If you're a new upcoming artist or DJ, create a music and remix YouTube channel to gain a wider audience, showcase your talents, and resonate with other music lovers to help you grow as a musician. You can even cross-post your videos to other platforms like YouTube Shorts or TikTok to generate a wider audience. 26. Social media marketing and coaching. Do you want to help your viewers succeed on social media? Create a social media marketing and coaching YouTube channel to share your knowledge, business advice, and valuable tips and tricks on social media marketing. You can even create engaging YouTube Shorts to share your tips and tricks faster while reaching a larger audience. 27. Independent news and research. If you want to help viewers follow breaking news reports, exclusive interviews, and share your own knowledge and research, then creating an independent news channel is the best YouTube niche for you. By adding intriguing headlines and thumbnails, titles, and intro videos, you can capture the attention of your audience and entertain them for longer. 28. Learning foreign languages. Creating a language learning YouTube channel is the perfect way to teach viewers a particular language. Educate your viewers from the comfort of their own home with tutorial videos. You can even add subtitles to help your viewers engage and understand with on-screen visuals like sign language stickers, animated text, and images.